Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can turn on or turn off notifications from Instagram app on your iPhone. Please friends, put your likes under the video. Also be sure to write comments after watching. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And let's get started. In order to turn on or turn off any notifications, you will first need to open your phone settings on your iPhone. And then, folks, you're gonna have to scroll down and find the Instagram app. Navigate to it. And here you will be able to find the notification option and go to it as well. This is how you will go to customize your Instagram notifications. And the first thing that you can do is, for example, completely disable all notifications. To do that, you'll just have to click on this button here. And when you have all notifications turned off, you just have a white screen like this, where you can't really customize anything else in detail. If that's too radical for you, then you can choose and customize some other features. For example, you can choose where you want your notifications to appear. It will be the lock screen, notification center, or banners. You can also adjust whether you turn the sound on or off, and turn on or off the red dots above the Instagram app, which will tell you the number of messages you've received or notifications. If, however, you want to be more specific about any customizations you want to make for yourself, then you will need to go to Instagram notifications at the bottom. And in this way, you will go directly from the phone settings to the settings in the Instagram app itself. Here you can also easily turn off notifications for a period of time from 15 minutes to 1 hour. After this time, this function will be automatically turned off. You can also here adjust notifications for posts, stories, and comments, also calls. Also like birthday notifications, turn them on or off and so on. There are a lot of features here, friends, that you can customize specifically for you. This is how you can either turn on or turn off Instagram push notifications on your iPhone. Friends, I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to put your likes under the video, subscribe to our channel, write comments. Bye-bye.